Ultamize. A lot of leaders now turn to AI in a crisis for one simple reason: it's fast. Oh boy, is it fast. You can type in a situation, press a button, and instantly get a polished, calm, professional sounding statement. And that feels like a huge advantage until it isn't, because AI generated statements have a very specific problem. They sound good, but they often sound generic. And in a crisis, generic sounds like you don't really care. Let me give you a real pattern. A company faces a backlash. They release a statement that says they take the matter seriously, they're committed to their values, and they are reviewing the situation. Every word's technically fine, but it sounds exactly like every other statement people have heard 1,000 times. So what happens? People say, that's a canned response. This is fake. This is corporate language. And now you have a second problem, not just the crisis itself, but the perception that you're not being authentic. There's another risk. AI doesn't always understand the nuance. It may include phrases that sound like admissions. It might frame things in a way that create legal or reputational exposure. And if you use that language without thinking, without reviewing, without using human editorial process, you're responsible for it nonetheless. So remember, not the tool. AI is not responsible. You are. Your company is. So the answer is not to avoid AI. The answer is to use it correctly. AI can help you organize your thinking. It can help you see different ways to phrase things. It can help you move faster. It can be a good editor. It can be a good refiner, but it cannot replace your human judgment in a time of crisis. It can't understand your specific situation the way you do, the way people in your community do, the way your own employees do. It can't take responsibility for what's said. I mean, good luck suing Sam Altman or the head of any AI company if it gives you a bad response. If you rely on it too heavily, you'll sound like everyone else. And in a crisis, sounding like everyone else is one of the fastest ways to lose trust. You must sound like you, an authentic you, telling the world about exactly what you're doing in this crisis to make things better.